Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune report for Ed, Massachusetts on this Ranger RCI X9HP. Ed got it ready to go for you, bud. Our tune and alignment, Toshiba voltage regulator upgrade, clarifier mod, wide banded your mic for you as well. Start with our power all the way down, 100 watt slug, 5 watts all the way down. That way if you decide to run a big amp, you got full adjustability. There's 60 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Low, 100 watt slug in the corner. Go to average power, 250 watt slug here. Low, 120 bird. Peak power, low audio, about 245 watts. Alright Ed, this bad mama gem is ready to go to you, and I've got you some Trucker Eye stickers that you ordered as well. Thanks once again from your friend Truck at TruckCBSales.com. Bye-bye.
Get your Trucker Eyes tuned today. Trucker Eyes. Get wise and get Trucker Eyes today.